Setting up your SadoTech doorbells can be as easy as 1, 2, 3. Make sure your receiver is plugged in and is in a safe area. Now, if you look at your receiver, it has two buttons. One is the volume control button, one is the music control button, and on top of that, it also has a switch labeled A, B, C, and D. Switch A means the receiver flashes. Switch B means the receiver plays music. Switch C means the receiver flashes and plays music, and D powers it off. Let's learn how to adjust your volume level. By pressing the volume control button, you can choose your desired volume level. Stick to this one. Now, let's learn how to change your doorbell chime. Simply press the music control button and choose your desired music. Let's go into learning mode now. Press and hold the volume control button for 5 seconds. You should hear your receiver make a sound. This means the receiver is in learning mode. Simply press the button on your transmitter and it will allow the transmitter to be paired with the receiver. To get out of learning mode, press and hold the volume control button for 5 seconds again. And you see that it's not flashing anymore. If you want another chime for your receiver, you press the music control button again. Choose your newly desired chime, then go into learning mode. Press the button on the transmitter again. And it has the newly desired chime. Exit out once again by pressing and holding the volume control button for 5 seconds. Now, for the belt pager that comes with this H model, by turning it on, press the doorbell, and you'll notice that the pager buzzes and plays the desired chime. Let's say you want to reset your receiver and make it go back to the ding-dong. Press and hold the music control button for 5 seconds. Now, when you press your transmitter, you have now learned how to configure your product.